Now, our President of South Africa, President Ramaphosa, will be giving the State of the Nation address tonight, and there is so much that is expected to be discussed on to that address, which some of the critical things is of course to reflect on our economy, which last year our economy grew by 1.3%, better than what was expected, regardless of the trade tariffs, regardless of the tension that we had with the United States of America. South Africa still managed to generate better than expected economic growth, which is something that is great, something that is exciting, and we have discussed about that. But over and above that, something that will be discussed is, of course, unemployment. What is it that we can expect this year from the government? South Africa is it's a developing country, and it is expected that all developing countries' GDP should grow by at least 5% annually. Last year's State of the Nation address, the president spoke of 3% of the government striving to get to 3%, not last year, but in the short to medium term. And that is not enough, but to attract investors to come and invest heavily into our country as yet, but it is better, right? The president of our country, our president, Mr. Ramaphosa, or President Ramaphosa, just a couple of days ago, he flagged that even though our economy grew by 1.3% last year, the short term it is full of hurdles, and we do not need to just overexcite ourselves by what happened last year in terms of our economy growing by 1.3%, but we need to also look at the hurdles that are there. Yes, there's a lot that you can say about our economy persevering or still growing amidst the tensions that we had with the US. But those tensions, they are not completely gone. Yes, we can celebrate that our AGOA deal has been extended by 1 year, and we are part of the African countries that are going to enjoy the benefits that comes with duty-free exports into the US, which is always good, amazing, and of course exciting. But those tariffs that Trump has been imposing or imposed in our country last year, we all know the damage that it did. So many people lost jobs. The Reserve Bank estimated that in the short to medium term, though, those tariffs by the US could end up hurting over 100,000, or can end up causing over 100,000 jobs in South Africa. And so many companies, including Coca-Cola, including Ford, and the others, they have cut down on labor due to the tariffs that we succumbed to last year. But look, like I said, the good thing is that even in the midst of that phase that we went through, or we are still going through, South Africa still managed to at least see a positive GDP growth of 1.3%, which is absolutely great. Now, the president was asked just yesterday about what he thinks about, or if he's ready to deliver the State of the Nation address, and what are his thoughts. And he flagged that, look, South Africa is turning the corner. This was the video that I'm flagging, right? He said South Africa is turning the corner, and in as much as we saw, of course, the success, our economy is resilient, but there are still challenges in our countries that needs to be addressed. He said, or he highlighted that. In South Africa, we've got problem of high unemployment. In South Africa, we've got problem with infrastructure. There is right now people that still do not have access to water. And what is very, very not good is that not only is this, of course, happening, not only has this become a common thing into rural areas, but even some of the urban areas, especially in Gauteng, they are starting to succumb to not having water as often as they used to. And this is a problem. And one of the major challenges or major things is, of course, all infrastructure, water loss due to the lack of maintenance, and all of those kind of things, they are seriously impacting the existing infrastructure, and therefore it will be also very important that we hear what the president has to say about that in terms of our infrastructure. This is not just on water. We're talking about roads. We're talking about our ports, right? Because our ports, which they are owned by Transnet, those are the ports that are helping us export and receive things from overseas, right? They play a huge role onto our economy, and it's important that, of course, on the State of the Nation address tonight, the president emphasizes the point, or we are hoping to see him talking about infrastructure, how he plans, or what is the plan for this financial year when it comes to infrastructure, because it is very important that infrastructure gets to be maintained, improved, and yeah, we will wait and see what he will say tonight. I mean, on another lighter note, just yesterday or 2 days ago, we read that, of course, the president of our country, President Ramaphosa, was on a call with President Putin of Russia, talking about trade, talking about opportunities, investments, and all that. And we are hoping we will strike a deal with Russia that will benefit our country. I mean, in as much as I know some people don't like Russia, some people don't like China, but look, we need more trade partners. And the story about China, me, I like China because look, our two-way trade between us and China is over $50 billion. China, it is our largest trade partner in terms of a country. It is our largest trade partner country worldwide, and therefore they are very important onto South Africa. It's so important that we continue deepen our ties with them, because we are benefiting more. In as much as they are getting more, we are also getting more. Yes, I know some people feel like we should be more closer to the US than to China, but China is offering us more. We are benefiting more with China than the US, which is something that we must take cognizant of. I mean, just a couple of days ago, China announced that they will be introducing an AGOA-like deal with South Africa, where the two countries will be exporting stuff to each other duty-free, same like AGOA, right? Which is something that is so good, and it shows you that China is saying, amidst the US not sure if they would continue with AGOA, which is all about shipping stuff to each other duty-free. China is implementing the same kind of like deal like AGOA, which is something that is great, something that, of course, it's exciting, and it makes me to look forward to what is coming. And yeah, I just hope things continue looking positive for South Africa. And yeah, I'll be watching the State of the Nation address. I think it's at 7. Starts at 7. Let's wait. Let's see what the president will have to say for us. But kudos, man, to the government last year. I think we need to give them their flowers. I mean, a lot of people were not expecting South Africa's economy to grow the way it did last year. We should stress that. And that it's all thanks to our government, GNU. And yeah, we look forward to more good news. Anyways, let me leave it here. I'll see you on the next one. That is all from me. And God bless you all.